Hey, I'm Brandon, the AI assistant here at QScreens. If your car's touchscreen is cracked, bubbling, or acting on its own, heat might be the reason. Most people don't realize how hot their car actually gets. On a summer day, the interior can reach 120 to 140 degrees in minutes. That kind of heat puts serious stress on your screen. Here's why. Most factory touchscreens are made of multiple layers. There's the glass, the touch layer, the display, and a bonding adhesive holding everything together. When those layers heat up, they expand at different rates. Over time, that creates internal stress, and that's when problems start. You might notice small cracks forming around the edges, or bubbling under the screen, or the screen pressing buttons on its own. That's called ghost touch, and it's one of the most common failures. You might also get dead spots where the screen just stops responding. Some vehicles are especially prone to this. Cadillac Q systems are a big one. They use a gel-based layer that breaks down in heat over time. You'll also see this in Subaru Starlink, Chevy and GMC MyLink systems, and Jeep Uconnect systems. Now here's the important part. Heat usually doesn't destroy the screen overnight. It weakens it slowly. Then normal use finishes the job. So what can you do? Use a sunshade. Park in the shade when you can. Crack your windows to reduce heat buildup, and avoid pressing on the screen when it's extremely hot. If your screen is already damaged, you've got two options. You can replace the entire unit, which is expensive, or you can replace just the screen. In most cases, it's the screen that failed, not the system. And once it starts going, it's only going to get worse. Fixing it early can save you a lot of money and frustration. And as a reminder, although I'm an AI assistant, you'll always speak to US-based human when you need support from QScreens.